disheartening how wet this is on the inside. As much as I absolutely don't want to be touching anything in here without gloves right now, I took my gloves off so that I can feel for water, and it really does feel like most of it is nice and hard. I also do not want to get on this bed at all, so I might have to wait and check those windows later. I might also actually just decide to take off all of these window treatments. I did discover something very disheartening in this back corner. I don't know if you can tell, but it is completely soft. I have no idea how bad this is. I'm not gonna know until probably we take off some stuff. So we've got this nice platform. I'm just really worried about this wall, but I have seen other people redo that wall, so I think it is something that I could figure out. Just not what I was hoping for, but that's all right. If anything else, I guess I just have to be prepared for surprises in this process, because I know it's not all going to be what I expect. I also don't know what to expect with a lot of this. So surprise number one, which we're still unpacking, is a really bad front wall, and hopefully we will get a better complete image of what that actually looks like and make a plan, and we'll fix it somehow. We'll make it work. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is really disappointing. Wow. Oh. This is so bad. Wow. Wow. This is... a solid chunk of wallpaper right there. Wow. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, mess. Ugh. Oh, yeah. And the insulation is soaking wet. That just soaked through my glove right there. So it's been a few days since I was back here. As you can tell, I tore out a lot of insulation and wall and ceiling paneling. I'm going to keep ripping out some of this stuff in this bedroom so that we get a better idea and get all the stuff that needs to be replaced out of here. So I'm going to see if I can't finish cleaning this stuff up, maybe get this whole bottom wall out, and all of these little storage cabinets in here, because we're going to change up the layout of this room a little bit. I do want to try to preserve the cabinets if they're not rotted through, because I imagine it might be easier to keep what's already here as opposed to building from scratch. So that's what I'm working on today. disheartening how wet this is on the inside. Obviously the camper is not connected to electric right now. We just have this work lamp, but there's a ton of water coming down, and the ceiling here looks completely rotted through. So as you could probably tell, last night there was a ton of water pouring in through the ceiling, which is rotted through, and I really want it all to dry out so that we can see what we need to replace of the studs and what we can keep. But it's gonna keep raining here, so mosquitoes. Before any more rain, we're gonna tarp the top of the camper. It really smells so bad in here. Like, I wish I could convey how bad it is. I think we're gonna have to work on folding up the tarp on the sides so we can actually open up some windows and get some cross breeze. I don't want to hook up electric. Hi, Olivia. I don't want to hook up electric because there's a ton of water, and there was water inside of some of the electrical fixtures. So I don't know if I'm just crazy or if that would be very dangerous. It sounds like that would be very dangerous to me. So I prefer hooking up something to the house. Like, we have a lamp now with an extension cord that goes to the house. But as you might be able to tell, there's a ton of condensation in here now because it's so humid. So humid. As you can see, I am pretty much at the same spot that I've been at with the camper for the past week. It's been a pretty slow week. I have emptied out some garbage, done a tiny bit of demo, and then I've just been a mom and busy. But today I am going to try to take just a couple of hours, be as efficient as I can, and try to finish up this bedroom. We have decided we are going to take this platform out. I do have a little bit more ceiling to tear down. I really just want to get this nice and clean and empty so that we can bring in the shop vac, get everything out and see what wood is going to dry up and what wood is actually just rotted and needs to be replaced. I feel like it's very probable we might have to replace some of this wood from the outside, so we are going to take the side off eventually. But right now I just want to demo the inside, know what needs to be replaced, make a plan for all of that. And be done with demoing this bedroom already, because it's been like 2 weeks and I've been moving very slow. I know that's just how things go, especially when you have a baby that you have to feed. Things just take a little bit of extra time. And also because this is my first time doing this. But I'm gonna see how much I can get done today, so that the next time I come back to the camper, I can work on something else. That would be great. As I was tearing this room apart, I kept thinking, how would anyone pick this green beige color for their carpet? And then I realized after tearing out the bed that this royal blue, really nice color was the original color of the entire carpet. And the green and the beige is just years and years and years of dirt. It is insane how different these two colors are. And it's the same carpet. And that's it for the bedroom demo, or at least that's what I thought. If you follow us on Instagram at One Conscious Mama, you will know that the camper currently looks quite a bit different from this. So stick around, stay tuned for the next video, and you will see us tear this camper apart even more.